What if your crypto wallet could audit smart contracts for scams before you actually trade? This AI-powered privacy suite does that and pays you ETH rewards just for holding. Let's break it down. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be diving down into this massive project known as ZeroX0. We're talking about Arcane wallet. We got privacy, security, and confidentiality. And if you guys do not know, this is literally probably one of the best out there. We're talking about a comprehensive privacy solution offering advanced safety features while redistributing 100% of its revenue to 0x0 holders. I like that. Do you want to crush your niche and get qualified leads nonstop? YTRanker.net can turn your brand into a lead magnet. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to kick it off with Incognito Mode. We're going to go directly to YouTube, and you guys will see right here. Easy and simple. Very top right, we're going to go to language, which is going to be English, and location, we're going to have it set as the United States. Now, we're going to go ahead and search two different things. The first thing is going to be tiny URL alternatives, and you guys will see right here, boom, easy and simple. All right, I'm literally at the very top. That is me. That is my face. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and do another search, which is going to be best free AI image background remover. And once again, you guys, look at that. I am the very top search. Now, these are the kind of results that we are talking about. So if you are craving more leads and next level brand authority, go to YTRanker.net. We don't just rank, we dominate. Let's get back to the video. So if we actually kind of take a look here, I want you guys to understand that there are a lot of benefits. We got assets, obviously, right? And we got what is known as send, okay? And we even got what is known as swap, and then we even have what is known as shield, okay? So let me go ahead and actually just kind of break this down for you, right? We're talking about some of the live tools. If we actually go to, say, the white paper or the documents, right? You guys are going to see right here that they do have some important details talking about the overall ecosystem, okay? And there's technically a lot of different things here. So we do have what is known as the AI Smart Contract Auditor. Technically, this is a beta, and it actually scans and vulnerabilities, okay, which is actually pretty cool. Not only that, you guys, whenever it comes to this, you guys will see right here, there's a lot of information talking about the overall privacy wallet. I will tell you right now that they do have what is known as a privacy mixer, which is actually pretty cool. And basically, so anonymizes ERC20 transactions, which is actually pretty efficient and pretty cool nowadays, okay? Not only that, they do have a privacy DEX Aggregator, so technically there is no KYC trading across multiple different DEXs, okay, you guys, which is actually really awesome, okay? Now, something else to mention, we have some stuff that is upcoming. You guys will see right here, we have what is known as like Spectre, right? So this is very important. But a few other things is that they do have an anti-rug AI. So technically it actually blocks scam tokens. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, surprisingly, I have been caught, I think, in 2 different scam tokens before in my wallet. So this, I don't know how it happened, don't ask, but this is actually really good. Not only that, they do have what is known as an AI Dev Hub, okay, which is going to be extremely beneficial. Now, if we kind of scroll down here, you guys will see we have income sources. So let me go ahead and just kind of tell you really quick. If we actually go back to the main part of the website, you guys will see right here that they do talk about like privacy, security, confidentiality, which is good. Not only that, they do kind of mention all the tools. It's going to be on your mobile device, which is good as well. Then we got private DEX on the next level, which is awesome. And it talks a little bit about Spectre right here.
which is good. Not only that, the website, you guys can see right here, they talk about joining the community, and they even have a buy here button. But anyways, if we actually go back, okay, to the main part here, I want you guys to understand revenue redistribution model. So technically, I will be honest, a lot of this is going to be shared with holders. Okay, so 100% fees are actually shared with 0x0 token holders as Ethereum rewards. I know you don't see that right here, but I want you guys to understand it's extremely beneficial. Not to mention, we do have this buyback and burn. Okay, so technically, you guys, 20% of profits used to reduce the supply. Okay, which is actually really good. Okay, that is actually unheard of. Okay, so I want you guys to understand, I mean, this is pretty good as well. So 100% of the revenue will be distributed back to the 0x0 holders, okay, which is awesome. Okay, so a few other things I would like to mention, just kind of diving down into this, right, about the wallets and stuff. There it talks about like the private transferred assets, as we've kind of already mentioned, right? Things are anonymous, which is good. We have the contract, we have the shielding assets, which is good. We have single transfers, we got multiple transfers. We have withdrawal or unshielding, right? Relayers and more. But I want you guys to understand, like, for this overall project, I mean, listen, you guys, they have zero trust security. So we're talking about no seed phrases, right? They got biometric face ID recovery. They got stealth addresses, which is good. So technically high transaction histories. And then they even have what is known as, I think it was like a relayer type thing. So let's actually see here. Yeah, relayers, okay, which is awesome as well. So we're talking about censorship resistant infrastructure, okay, which is kind of top of the line. All right. So ecosystem, just really quick before we dive down into the tokenomics, I got to let you guys know they got a lot of things coming, right? So we have that Spectre, privacy focused spot, leverage trading coming in technically Q4, I believe it is. Not only that, they got that anti-rug AI as mentioned. They even have the AI dev hub. The AI, the anti-rug should be coming out in Q3, and it is fully audited as well. So we're talking about GitHub verified contracts, okay, which is great. All right. Something that you definitely need to check out. Okay. So I guess something else to mention, as stated, we do have the tokenomics here. You guys can see the overall breakdown. Total supply right there, 1 billion, which is good. Initial circulating supply, current circulating supply. Max wallet 2% initially. Now limits are lifted. Our starting market cap is right there, 3,000. Not bad. Okay. So there are taxes. You can see that right there. 1% bootstrap ETH rewards, 2% development in teams, and then we have 2% for marketing. Okay. So 2% for development in teams. Interesting. Okay. Going back, you guys will see that they do have this dashboard back on the main part of the website. So you guys will actually see right here, you can actually just go up here, dashboard. Once you officially do that, you guys are going to see we got some important information, APRs, APY, my rewards. We got that relayer, as we've already mentioned. Technically, you got to connect your wallets here. Okay, probably connect our MetaMask. Let's just see if we can do that really quick, pretty easy and simple. There we go. All right, then we got yeah, the rewards. So you can click on that as well. So obviously, once again, you got to connect your wallet, go through all this stuff. Right, pretty easy and simple. Okay, so you guys can see that. Okay, continuing, we got history, we got volume. Okay, and we even have a calculator. Okay, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, so a lot of different things here, but I will tell you guys right now that they do technically have like a leaderboard, right? So technically, leaderboard rewards for top relayer nodes, okay, which is good. Not only that, they got ETH airdrops for early token holders, which is awesome as well. Once again, you guys, this thing, it is audited, okay. It is audited on GitHub, so you definitely want to check that out. They got a lot of media buzz as well. So for example, they do have an awesome article on Forbes. So anyways, be sure you guys check this out. Okay, dive down into it. You guys can see right here. Here's actually an awesome little video. They actually kind of do provide you information here. Let's actually take a look here really quick. So this actually looks a lot better, right? But you guys can see assets. They got the send, the swap, and then they even have that leaderboard. Okay, as we kind of briefly mentioned. I mean, you guys can see that. So I do like that a lot. Okay, which is actually really awesome. Okay. Scrolling down, you guys will see more information, volume competition. It is live. What else we got here? A lot more stuff. Okay. Congratulations. Okay. Which is awesome. So yeah, dive down into this and check it out. Big opportunity as mentioned. Go to the website, right? You're going to be able to dive down, go into the dashboard. All right, check everything that they have to offer here. Okay, so let me know exactly what you guys think. Not only that, at the very bottom, you guys will see that there is a buy now button. Okay, so you guys can see that right there. You're going to be able to click that, and you're actually going to be able to connect your wallet once again, and you're going to be able to buy the tokens. All right, so check them out. Dive down into the socials, such as the Twitter. Dive down into the Telegram. They do have a portal, and then they got another one for announcements, and then finally they have a Medium. All right. So check it out, you guys. Links are going to be down below. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you guys will, please let me know exactly what did you think about this project. Me personally, I think it's awesome. I think it has a lot of utilities, and I think it is great. Now, if you guys will, check out the links down below in the description. Make sure that you smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and leave me some comments because I would like to know your thoughts and opinions. All right, we'll see you in the next one.